The Chinese naval capabilities are back in focus as satellite images reveals an all-new class of Chinese submarines docked somewhere at the Huludao Port in Liaoning province of China. These reports, unconfirmed by the PLA Navy, comes amid the enhanced Chinese activity in the Indo-Pacific region. The military experts believe that the vessels spotted in the Chinese shipyard in recently obtained satellite photographs could be a new or upgraded class of nuclear-powered attack submarines. The submarines seen in the dry dock in Huludao Port of Liaoning province, as per the image obtained by the Reuters. However, it is unclear whether the submarine seen in the image is a brand new design or an improvement of an older vessel or something entirely different. The military observers have been keeping a close eye on the Chinese since a Pentagon report in 2021 on November predicted that the Chinese Navy will likely develop a new attack submarine with vertical launch tubes for the cruise missiles in coming years. The vertical launch system, or the VLS, is a modern missile firing system used on the submarines and surface ships. A VLS is scaled-down versions of the launch system built for the ballistic missiles aboard the SSBNs. The VLS is designed for firing cruise missiles like the American Tomahawk. A VLS allows an SSN nuclear-powered attack submarine to develop the larger weapons with greater variety than the torpedo tubes. As far as the countries other than US are concerned, India has to be cautious, particularly with its Indian airfields or the Indian Airforce airfields, whose positions are well known and will be easy targets, said the Vice Admiral retired Shekhar Sinha to the Eurasian Times. The Indian Air Force has shelved $4.5 billion plan to modernize its Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jet fleet due to the ongoing military crisis between Russia and Ukraine, according to the Indian news agency ANI. The Indian Air Force planned to upgrade 85 Su-30 MKI fighter jets with more powerful radars and cutting-edge electronic warfare capabilities in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, a state defense manufacturer that manufactures and supplies the Su-30 fighter jets. According to the reports, the plans to acquire 12 sophisticated Su-30 MKI aircraft will also put on hold. The Su-30 MKIs are the backbone of the Indian Air Force, with 272 of them are ordered in various batches to the Indian Air Force repeated orders for 30 to 40 of these planes whenever a shortfall of the fighter jets in service was noted. In 2020, the following India-China border tension, India's Ministry of Defense approved the purchase of 21 MiG-29 and 12 Su-30 MKI fighter jets and upgraded to 59 existing MiG-29s for $2.4 billion. However, experts previously questioned India's reasoning for choosing the MiG-29 fighter jets over the latest Rafale jets. Tom Cooper, an aviation expert, questioned why the Indian Air Force performed Su-30s and MiG-29s over the advanced Rafale fighter jets. Su-30, while formidable on the paper, lacks the performance and combat capability when compared to the Rafale fighter jets or even the MiG-29 fighter jets, according to Cooper. The MiG-29s are superior in performance in difficult situations over the bigger Sukhoi fighter jets in no longer a secret. He also reminded that during the Kargil War of India in 1999 and the Balakot airstrike in 2019, the Sukhoi Su-30 fighter jets failed to make an impression, and India instead leaned on the aging Dassault Mirage 2000 fighter jets. Cooper also stated that while the MiG-29 performed better than the Su-30 MKIs, it is not still the best option for the Indian Air Force. The MiG-29s that India hopes to buy from Russia are old models that will be refurbished before being handed over, and they are simply not adequate for the job. Nevertheless, the latest development is concerning matter for Indian Air Force, which is already dealing with a dwindling combat fleet. It has 32 squadrons instead of sanctioned 42. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please support us by clicking the thanks button below our video. In a clear message to an aggressive China, the leaders of the Quad grouping, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India, the US President Joe Biden on Tuesday expressed their firm opposition to any proactive or unilateral attempt to change the status quo on the call for the peace settlement of the dispute without resorting to threat or use of force. During the second in-person meeting of the Quad leaders, Indian Prime Minister Modi, US President Biden, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, and Australia's newly elected Prime Minister Anthony Albanese exchanged views about developments in the Indo-Pacific region and global issues of the mutual interest. The summit took place at a time when the relationship between China and the Quad member countries have become tense, with Beijing increasingly challenging democratic values and resorting to coercive trade practice. The relationship between India and China nosedived after the Eastern Ladakh stand-up in 2020, following Beijing's moving thousands of troops to several disputed areas along the line of actual control, or the LAC, which was strongly objected to and resisted by the New Delhi. India, the US, and several other world powers have been talking about the need to ensure a free, open, and thriving Indo-Pacific in the backdrop of China's rising military maneuvering in the region. It said the Quad is committed to cooperation with partners in the region who share the vision of the free and open trade Indo-Pacific. The Chinese and the Russian fighter jet carried out a joint flights near Japan on Tuesday as the leaders of the Quad bloc met in Tokyo, the Japanese defense minister said in a statement. According to the Economic Times of India, Naobo Kishi said that government had expressed grave concerns to the Russia and the China over the flights, which took place while the leaders from the United States, India, Australia, and Japan held talks on their regional security. The planes did not breach the territorial airspace, the defense minister of Japan told the AFP, and it was the fourth time since November that long-distance joint flights with Russia and China had been spotted near Japan. He said a Russian intelligence gathering aircraft also flew off the northern Hokkaido to the Noto Peninsula in central Japan on Tuesday, calling the moves especially provocative given the summit in Tokyo. Beijing confirmed the flights in the short statement and said it was in the line with the Chinese and the Russian annual military cooperation plan. On May 24, both countries' Airforce organized and carried out a routine joint strategic mid-air patrol in the airspace above the Sea of Japan, East China Sea and the Western Pacific maritime areas, a statement from the Ministry of Defense said. The Quad leaders on Tuesday warned against the attempt to change the status quo by force, although they avoided the direct reference to Russia or China in the joint statement. Their statement referred to the war in Ukraine and warned against a range of activities which Beijing has regularly been accused of in the region. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please support us by clicking the thanks button below our video.